Good morning students, welcome back to our innovative YouTube channel. My name is Dara Kapadia and I am going to give you brief about Standard 10 English, poem number 7, Animals. This poem is written by Walter Bachmann. He is a free verse poet. So first of all I want to give a brief information about him. He is a freelancer. He always wrote poem on her own way, on her own poetic words. So that's why in this poem there is no rhyming pattern particularly, right? Even there is no stanzas at all. It's in a simple poem, right? Now this poem is based on the animals and the human beings, the comparison between animals and human beings. Here poet want to deliver his own thought that he liked animals more because they are not cruel, they are not openness, right? They know for their own selves. They consider their own feelings for them. They are very calm, they are very kind compared to humans. So the whole poem, the whole idea of this poem is based on that only. So now we are going to start with the poem. So we are going to look about the first stanza. I think I could turn and live with animals. They are so pleased and self-controlled. I stand and look at them long and long. So here in these 3 lines, poet want to deliver that he wants to live with animals instead of the human beings because they are very calm, they are very disclaimer, they are better than the human beings in their behavior and all. They don't have their personal achievements or personal issues, right? And they are very calm compared to humans because whenever the situation is very erupted, that time humans are not behaving a normal way. So here poet want to say that animals compared to the human beings, animals are very good of their nature. They don't have their own personal issues or they don't have the jealousy factor also, right? And such of the people, and especially female girls, right? Female human beings have no issues like that, right? So these 3 lines are showing that poet want to stay with animals compared to the human beings, right? Now we will move forward a few lines. They do not sweat and whine about their condition. Right? They are not each and every time they are crying and they want to complain that in their life they are facing this kind of situation or they are facing this kind of problem over there. Right? They do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins. They do not make me sick discussing their duty to God. Not one is dissatisfied, not one is demanding with the mania of owing things. No one needs to another, nor his kind that lived thousands of years ago. Right? So here in these lines poet want to share that they don't want to discuss their sins, whatever the things they did in their whole life. They don't want to discuss with them. Even they will never say about the duty for their God. Right? Whatever the things they have to do. Even as a human being, whenever we are doing such hard work or we are doing very motivational work, yeah, right? So what we are doing, we are declaring each and every place with our friends, with our family members, with the unknown person also at the unknown place. So this is the thing that the poet didn't like it. Right? Whenever the situation is going on, they are always in the hurry. They don't want to discuss it. And if we are compared these things with the animals, they never share such things. And that is the only reason poet love them. They never discuss their scenes, that whatever the whole life they did, or even the worst things happens in their life. So this is the thing that animals don't want to share with each other. Even they don't need each other actually. They don't want anybody's company. And compared to the human beings always like to be with any person. They always like to be the company at least. So there is a huge difference between animals and human beings. Even human beings wants to share such things to the people, right? And they don't want to be alone in their life. And compared to the animals, if they are alone, they will live their life, they will love their life and joyfully. So that is a vast gap between animals and human beings, right? So looking for the next few lines. Not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth. So they show their relations to me and I accept them. They bring me tokens of myself, my wings, then plainly in their possession. I wonder where they got those tokens. Did I pass that way huge times ago and naggingly drop them? So here in these lines, Walt want to discuss that naggingly they never do the nagging things. They don't want to share such things. Even if they want to deliver that thing, then also animals will never ever open that mouth. Or that is a token of love, that is a token of joy with them, which is missing inside the human beings. Because whenever the situation is erupted like a very serious note or a very sad situation arised, that time there is not a token of joy, there is not a token of the forgiveness, right? We always cry for that. We always have such things in a side of our mind, and we always, the day and night, we are thinking of that thing only, right? The whole day we are thinking of that. Even with our friends, with our colleagues, with our relatives, we share such things. And compared to that, if we are talking about the animals, they are never share such things. They always deliver the token of joy, right? So this is the mystery, that from where they are finding that things, from where they are finding that token of joy. Because but their life, there are such kind of situations will arise that they have to face such problems, right? So at that time, how they will face, right? From there, we have to learn such things also. And then only poet will come to like the human beings only. Because here, in this situation, whatever this poet Walt described, that he wants to stay with animals only. He wants to spend his whole life with animals. Because of these reasons only. So this is showing that as a human being, we have to study our behavior, we have to study our nature and act on it. Then only we will solve such issues in our life. So this is the thing this poet wants to share with us in this poem. And one more thing he wants to address to us, that we have to keep in our mind that which kind of qualities we have to develop for our future. As a children, you must develop your behavior, your nature also, right? So the poet wants to deliver such ideas that like animals we have to behave. We have to be very calm and deep-hearted actually, because we never calm ourselves. Whenever the situation is very boosted, then we are not going to charge ourselves very calm. So this is the thing we have to learn from this poem. And another thing also, that animals don't need any person or any behalf of them, because for that reason only they can live their life alone, happily and without any help. So this is the thing, even in our life also, if one person is missing or our best friend is not with us, then we are not suffering such issues that I am alone or I need some person, I need some help to come out of this pressure or come out of these issues, right? We have to tackle them, we have to deal them in our own way, and we have to live our life. So this is the whole idea about this poem. I hope you got enough idea about this poem. Okay, so thank you so much everybody. Have a nice day.